Living with excess fat around your midsection can increase the risk of various chronic conditions like cancer and heart disease. However, shedding belly fat is not as straightforward as some might claim. Spot reduction targeting fat loss in specific areas is not feasible, as fat cells are distributed throughout the body and can't be selectively targeted through exercise. But there are science-backed methods that, when combined with a balanced diet and healthy lifestyle, may help reduce belly fat and improve overall health. So let's explore these strategies. 1. Calorie reduction. Aim to create a daily calorie deficit of 500 to 600 calories by focusing on portion control and choosing nutrient-dense foods. Use a food diary or mobile app to track your calorie intake. 2. Hydration. Drink a glass of water before each meal and carry a reusable water bottle with you wherever you go. Flavor water with fresh herbs and citrus sliced for added taste. 3. Whole foods diet. Fill your plate with a variety of colorful fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, whole grains, and healthy fats. Plan meals ahead of time and prep ingredients for quick and easy cooking. 4. Adequate sleep. Create a bedtime routine to signal to your body that it's time to wind down. Avoid screens and caffeine before bed and aim for a consistent sleep schedule even on weekends. 5. Regular walking. Set a daily step goal and gradually increase it over time. Take short walking breaks during work hours and explore walking trails in your neighborhood or local parks. 6. Stress management. Dedicate time each day to relaxation techniques such as deep breathing, meditation, or gentle yoga. Prioritize activities that bring you joy and incorporate them into your schedule. 7. Limiting sugary drinks. Replace sugary beverages with water, herbal tea, or infused water with slices of fruits like lemon or cucumber. Keep a reusable water bottle with you to stay hydrated throughout the day. 8. Regular cardio exercise. Engage in activities like brisk walking, cycling, or swimming for 20 to 40 minutes daily. Use a fitness tracker to monitor your progress and gradually increase intensity. 9. Resistance training. Incorporate strength training exercises using body weight, resistance bands, or free weights at least 2 to 3 times per week. Focus on compound movements like squats, lunges, and push-ups. 10. Mindful eating. Practice mindful eating by chewing slowly, savoring each bite, and paying attention to hunger and fullness cues. Minimize distractions like TV or smartphones during meals. 11. Soluble fiber intake. Incorporate soluble fiber-rich foods into every meal, such as adding berries to breakfast, beans to lunch salads, and vegetables like broccoli to dinner. 12. Protein-rich diet. Aim to include a source of protein in each meal, such as lean meats, poultry, fish, tofu, or legumes. Experiment with different cooking methods and recipes to keep meals interesting. 13. Limiting added sugar. Read nutrition labels carefully and choose products with little to no added sugars. Swap sugary snacks for naturally sweet options like fresh fruits or unsweetened yogurt. 14. Unsweetened coffee or green tea. Enjoy a cup of black coffee or green tea in the morning or as a midday pick-me-up. Experiment with different brewing methods and flavorings to find your preference. 15. Increased non-exercise activity. Look for opportunities to move more throughout the day, such as taking the stairs instead of the elevator or parking farther away from your destination. Set reminders to stand up and stretch regularly, especially if you have a sedentary job. 16. Regular core strengthening exercises. Incorporate core exercises like planks, bird dog, and side plank into your workout routine. Aim for at least 10 to 15 minutes of core work 3 times per week. By implementing these actionable suggestions, you can gradually adopt healthier habits and work toward reducing belly fat. Start gradually with one change at a time and repeat it until it becomes your healthy habit. If you find this video helpful, please press the like button and share it with your friends. Subscribe to see more videos like this.